Hey, this is Mike Fortner, just looking over your post on Newton's third law. Just want to go over a couple things here. First of all, those are nice to have forces here, the force of gravity and the support force here, the normal force acting up on this. It's not required for this little discussion. Um, because what you have here, you have the force of the acting down on the timber, on the log. And what what is F of 2 on 1 and F of 1 on 2 are, where we're interested in them being truly equal and opposite, are right at the initial point of impact with the axe blade with the wood. At that initial point right there, what we're talking about here is the force of the wood acting on the axe blade is the same as the axe blade acting on the wood. Now, if you think about it for a second, they're designed differently. This is designed to be a tree, and this axe blade is designed to cut trees down. So, after the initial response or the initial action of the axe on the tree, then you get into the design and material things. This is a very narrow, sharp blade, so all that force, which is although is equal to this force, it is in a very small area. So you have a very high, you could think of this as a pressure or a shearing force, but that's what causes the tree to be cut. That is not the same thing as Newton's third law. This is after the impact. So at this point, the structure of the tree is beginning to fail, causing it to be cut down. I hope that kind of makes sense. If it doesn't, text me or email me. I'll talk to you some more about it. Have a really good evening.